Under the soft moonlight, I found your eyes, a spark that grew into a fire in the sky.
Every heartbeat builds our story, block by block. A love recorded forever, no one can stop. Our love is on a blockchain, unbreakable and true. No time, no storm could pull me away from you.
Like crypto codes that never fade or move, you and I are proof of love, every groove. Forever stand, forever mine, you're my Valentine. Every moment with you feels minted and new, a perfect record of the things we say and do.
No edits, no erase, our hearts don't lie. A ledger of love written across the sky.
Our love is on a blockchain, unbreakable and true. No time, no storm could pull me away from you. Like crypto codes that never fade or move, you and I are proof of love in every groove. Forever stand, forever mine.
You're my Valentine.
Even if the world shifts in the night,
Our hashed love will always shine bright.
no secret key could ever keep you from me.
Our chain is strong, forever the guarantee.
This love is locked, secure and free.
A blockchain heart for